Lo mdlalo uthi iBailam ukhumbule uGqr Sizwe Zaku, iqela lomculo leminyaka yoo-1970s noyinzalelwane yaseGqeberha owayesebenzisa iingoma zakhe ukuvakalisa nokukhuthaza uthando. Injongo yalo mdlalo ibikukuveza imingeni ejongene nabahlali basisixeko saseGqeberha kunye nokuhlonipha uGqr Sizwe Zaku.
You know, the statistics that came out last year that shocked people that Gqeberha was #1 leading in crime in South Africa. You know, that was shocking that our city has never had such a stigma attached to it. But now it has that stigma because of the socio-economic and political reasons that are there. So these are the things that are aligned in the themes of the production. The thought process basically was commemorating or acknowledging Dr. Sizwe Zaku, who was part of Pure Magic, and in the 70s, 80s, early 90s, they dominated the music scene in South Africa with, I would call it pop, bubblegum music, love songs, and also they were very vocal in terms of gospel songs as well. So when Dr. Sizwe Zaku was ordained as a doctor in the arts, so we thought also as Mandela Bay Theatre Complex, let us acknowledge him and give him his flowers whilst he's still alive.
Umdlali weqonga nemvumi neminyaka engama-23 ubudala uSesona Bonke odlale uNothando, intombazane ezimiseleyo ebomini, uthi le mveliso ikhethekile ngenxa yomculo.
What made this project so special is that umculo is literally the foundation of the whole production, and I'm a musician. I'm a full-time musician. So this akhange ndibeka ndiyalahleka kakhulu when it was just acting and movement, and I enjoyed dancing. Dance ke ndiyenza ndodwa ke endlini xa ndicula phaa ndijayivela uthi Beyonce. So doing it on stage and singing and acting at the same time, it was a dream come true, really.
Omnye umdlali weqonga oneminyaka engama-34 ubudala uMasiya Thandokazi Ntoni ubedlale indima kaBongiwe, uthi ibingumcelimngeni kuye ukudlala kulo mdlalo weqonga ngokuba ingumdlalo wokucula.
It's a musical. We sing and dance and act. I am mainly a straight act girly, but Elena, I feel like it was a challenge for me as well, you know, kind of like step out, because you don't want to always box yourself with him now, oh, I just do this and not that. So I took this because I felt like it's a challenging having to sing and dance, telling a story, you know. I look forward to many other musicals actually.
Abadlali balo mdlalo weqonga bazive benovuyo bekuthulelwa unqwazi ngababukeli. Kwindaba seMpuma Kapa TV, ndinguSinayo Ntutu eMakhanda.